Okay, it looks like getting uglier, right? How many terms do we have in this expression? 3, right? Something plus something minus something. Okay? And each something looks like fraction forms. Ooh, we hate fraction forms, especially when we have to simplify. Okay? So, what was the rule or the goal of simplification? Make it one term. Okay, it's a sum and subtraction of 3 fraction terms, right? So how can you make one term out of 2 or 3 fraction forms? Make it common denominator. There is no other way. Okay? So let's look at the denominators. Okay? I'm sorry, the denominator. So x, 3y, and y. And we are looking for common denominator. We try to make common denominator for all 3, right? So we need to put some necessary parts of it, right? They look different. Why? Because one has x. The other ones don't have x, right? Which means what? Oh, I need to put x, extra x here, okay? And extra x here. Another one is what? 3, right? This one has 3, but the other's not. So I have to put 3 here. And this two has y, but this one doesn't have any y. So I have to put 3 there. Y over there, okay? So that's the hint, right? How many or how more different ones you need to make it same, okay? Denominator. So for the first one, we need 3y, right? Then we have to multiply same thing to the numerator to keep this equality, right? Nothing change it. We just put some extra stuff over there, numerator and denominator. From the second term, we need what? I didn't put that one, but it's x, right? We need x here. Look at here, our temporary goal is they should look alike, right? So 3xy, right? So the meaning is we have to put x at the numerator too. From the third one, we need 3x, right? So we multiply 3x at numerator too. So let me rewrite again. Let me just say 3xy for the common denominator. Then 9y is going to be the numerator for the first term. Second term will have 2x. Okay? And third one is going to be 3x. Now, if you have a over b plus c over b is a plus c over b, right? Simply. So we have all common denominators for 3 terms. So we can make it one term like this, right? Using same common denominator. So 9y plus 2x minus 3x. Oh, then, yeah, we have 2 terms having number and x. Okay, so they are kind of same ones, right? So I change to 9y and 2x minus 3x means minus x, right? And 3xy. Still we have 2 terms in numerator, so still we have to looking for some factorization or whatever, but that looks totally different, right? One has number and y, the other one has only x, right? There is no common factor, so you cannot do anything about it. You have to just keep that form. And once again, then what? Don't look at just really try to cancel out anything, but if you are looking for some more cancellation, more simplification, then now this is time, right? Already we find out there is no way to make it one term out of these two, right? So it looks like we have 2 terms in the numerator. Then let's just look at, now it looks like we have this style. Then let's try to look at this way to see if there is more cancellation at each, right? So that can be changed to 9y over 3xy minus x over 3xy. Then this one, y can be cancelled out, and 9 can be cancelled out with 3, remaining only 3. So 3 over x. And that one cancel out x, so we have 1 over 3y. So which one is the answer? Actually anything, right? This one, and that is just too much, right? Or that one. So you can stop there. Okay? There is no golden rule that which one is simpler form. Please remember, why do we need simplification again in other math courses? To help us get some easier calculation later, right? So sometimes this one is easier to calculate with some other expression. Sometimes this one is easier because you have something else, right? So it depends. The key point is you can change these 3 terms to 1 term or 2 terms, simpler way. So please keep that in your mind. Okay?